I'm Steve.
I'm Meredith.
We met on eharmony in September of 2013.
And we got married in May of 2017.
One of the things we matched on was our love of food.
I really love it when he's cooking because he makes a lot of really funny mistakes.
When we cook together, I'm usually the sous chef.
I really do have kind of a romantic notion when I'm cooking us dinner of like, this is nourishing both of us and our family. There's also so much teamwork in cooking together, and for a new couple, not even like a new married couple, it's good to see how you react to that.
Because if you can get along cooking, then
yeah.
you're in good shape. I think it's really important to try date night meals. I think it brings you together.
We'll cook something a little special Friday nights and just stay in and feel like we're fancy.
Yeah. But
Saturday nights too,
I almost prefer it to going out now,
yeah.
where it's so nice to be at home.